Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'll show you how to clean an open coil fan-cooled condenser on your refrigerator. We'll explain what a condenser coil does, where it's located, and the importance of keeping it clean. This is a typical fan-cooled open coil condenser. The purpose of a condenser in a sealed system is to get rid of excess heat. The fan will pull air through that condenser and dissipate that heat. If that coil becomes plugged with either pet hair or lint, it can no longer dissipate that heat efficiently, even though the fan is pulling air across it. So we need to clean this style of condenser on a regular basis. To do so, we'll use a flexible, thin brush and a vacuum cleaner. So we'll carefully run that brush in between each of the coils, loosen any debris, and vacuum it out. We just need to be cautious that we don't damage any of that tubing, and of course we'll want to make sure that the refrigerator is unplugged while you're doing this cleaning job. Depending on the individual home will dictate how often you need to clean that condenser coil. We suggest that you pull that back cover off after about 6 months, inspect those coils. If they're clean, just leave it alone for another 6 months and perhaps do it yearly. If you find that there is a fair buildup of lint in there, you may need to do that every 6 months. Need help with anything else around your home? Search our channel for thousands of helpful videos that will walk you through your home repairs. For more information or the parts needed for these repairs, don't forget to check out PartSelect.com. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.